So let's see how my shoes arrive compared to how my Louis Vuitton sandals arrived. Hey guys, and welcome back. So I hope that you all are doing well. I am currently about to do a double unboxing for you guys. I have a pair of sandals and I have a crossbody handbag. I believe these are the sandals, and I ordered these from Essence, and this is the first time I actually ordered from them. It was just another website that I heard of, and I was looking through it and I found these shoes that I really liked, so I went ahead and ordered them. They are from Givenchy, and I am very interested in seeing how they are packaged, because if you saw my previous video or 2 videos back, it was the Louis Vuitton sandals unboxing. I mean, it was just all wrong, so I just want to see, you know, how other people package their things. So let's do that. But while I'm opening this, I just finished filming a tag video for you guys, and it was the luxury name tag. So I just finished filming that, so that one should be up because I'm going to post that one first. So you guys should really take a look at that video. It was really fun to make because I had to find all of these items to make up the spelling of my name, but they had to be luxury items, so it was pretty fun. So you should check that one out. So let's open this. Okay. No, I did not just cut through my box. Ah! Yeah, I did that. Oops. Okay. So it comes like this. Okay. And they have air paper all over. Put this away. It's a pretty sturdy box. And you can see here the sandals that I got. They are called the strap sandal, and the color that I got was tobacco. And like I said, I got them from Essence. You can see that right there. Alright. Okay, so I get 2 separate dust bags. The shoes aren't in here, but I'm sure they are well protected because it looks like they might be. I have a little booklet in here. Oh yes, very nicely protected. So they're not rubbing up against each other. And they have tissue paper. Alright, good. So guys, these are the sandals that I bought. I really like ankle sandals, anything that straps around the ankle. I really enjoy those. So I saw these on that website, like I said, Essence. So I went ahead and ordered these in my normal, what's the Italian size 37. So that's what I got, 37, and the bottom is pretty. It's all leather, and I really like it. It's super pretty. It's I know it says Givenchy all over, but it's really understated because you can't really see it from afar. They just look brown completely. So I'm really happy with these. Let's see the other one. Yeah, so same thing, very nicely packaged. Yeah, so yes, I'm excited for these to wear during the summertime. Okay, nice. Okay, let's move on to the other unboxing. Put this away. Okay, so this one is the crossbody bag I was talking to you about. So let's open this one. I'll try to be careful not to damage my box like an idiot. Okay. Alright, so this one is from I can never say this name, Bergdorf Goodman. What was that right? But I ordered that from them. Like I said, it's just a crossbody bag. Oh, lots of tissue paper. Oh, I didn't get a dust bag. I mean a box. So no box. And this is from Givenchy as well. Yay, that's so pretty. And this is the Cross 3 bag. And I just wanted a little white bag to go with my white sandals, or not even be so matchy-matchy, but just a white little bag for summertime. And this bag, okay, here's my dust bag. Here is the little booklet. And it does come with a strap. So you can either keep the strap or take it off. I intend to probably keep it on because that's the comfort of having a crossbody, is that you can be hands-free. But if you wanted to take it off and just carry it by the little chain, which is beautiful. Look at this detail for this chain. It is so pretty. And it has the little coin here with the Givenchy name. And on the front of it, very small right there in gold lettering. And let's attach the chain. Ooh, so pretty. Yay, and actually this bag fits a lot. Like you can see how it opens up to a suede interior, but look how it stretches because the sides here open up. Oh my goodness, this bag fits a lot. Do you see that? All right, so I'm pretty sure that I'm going to love this bag. So pretty. Okay, all right. So I didn't actually mean for both of these items to be from Givenchy. I totally didn't. It just worked out that way, that's how they were delivered. But, because as you can see, I ordered them from 2 different places. But that is it for my super quick double unboxing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. I will leave 2 more linked above here or down here for you to keep watching if you wish to do so. And please let's not forget to be kind to one another. And I will see you in my next one. Thanks.